It's Mink.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you haven't been here before. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this dripping rainbow look. I saw this done by Chloe Fits MUA on Instagram and I thought it was so amazing and fun, especially for Pride Month. So this is the original picture which I'm attempting to do. I did this look using my Morphe 35B palette. The original makeup artist used the James Charles palette, but I don't have that one yet, so I kind of just made do with the shades and I think it still works pretty well. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've got my eyebrows done and I've popped some tape under my eye to be a template. I've also primed my eyelids with concealer, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to be taking a white eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to roughly draw out where I want to place my eyeshadow, just so that I'm not putting too much on, because I want to be covering it with concealer and I don't want there to be too much colour because it'll make it harder. So I'm hoping this works because I haven't set my eyelids yet. So hopefully this will still show up. It's a bit of an experiment for me because I don't actually know how the look was done to begin with, but I'm just making it up as I go along. Okay, so I've marked out where I'm going to be putting the colour, and also what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark out the 6 sections for the different colours of the rainbow. So using the same eyeliner, and I just pop one where it looks like it's the middle and then split each part into 3, just so I can make sure that each colour has the same amount of space on the lid. And it's only just visible because we don't really want to see it too much, it's just there to kind of guide us. Okay, now I've got all of my little guidelines marked out. I'm gonna take 6 different small eyeshadow brushes. So it doesn't really matter which brushes you use. You don't have to use the same kind of brushes that I'm using, just anything that's small and detailed. So I'm just going with these 6 brushes here, 1 brush per color. Then I'm going to be taking my Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to start with the red on the outer end of the eye. So I'm going to take this red here and pop it on one of my little brushes and just applying that to the outermost section of the eye, which I've already marked out. Okay, so I've got the red on both of the eyes and they look extremely different. They're not similar at all, so hopefully when I'm finished they'll look a bit more matchy-matchy. But oh well, I'm just gonna leave it. I tried to kind of clean it up a bit on this one, but it's hard. It's hard when you're using colourful pigments. So yeah, next I'm going to be going in with the orange, and I'm going to take this orange shade here and another one of my small brushes and work my way inward to the center of the eye. Okay, for the yellow, I'm obviously going to take this yellow shade here. I might as well show you guys what colors I'm going to be using now, and then I'll just mash all of the videos together because there's no point in me coming back and telling you everything. Okay, so I'm going to be using this yellow shade, this blue shade, this purple shade, and this pink shade. In the original look, it doesn't look like a green was used, but I feel uncomfortable blending blue into yellow. So I'm going to be using a green, and I'm going to take out probably the pink. So what I'll do is I'll go green, blue, purple instead of blue, purple, pink. So I'm going to take this green here and I'll use that one. Okay, now that we've got the rainbow all laid out in its place, I'm just going to go back in with all of those same colours and the same brushes and just try and blend the colours into each other a bit so that it doesn't look like stripy lines. Okay, I've blended the colours pretty much as good as I'm going to get them. I think it's alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and start cleaning up the top edge of this eyeshadow. So I'm going to just use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just a small eyeliner brush and just go around that top edge and clean that up. Okay, so now time to start the drips. I'm just going to be using the same concealer and same brush. I'm thinking I want one around here. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this first drip. Oh. That was really hard. Okay, I'm just gonna zoom in now. There's nothing really that I can say to you that's gonna make this helpful for you. You kind of just have to draw it on and hope for the best. That's what I'm doing anyway. Now I'm just going to attempt to set that concealer using some setting powder. I'm not quite sure this is going to work, but I want to go over some of the parts that I've concealed just to build up some more coverage, and I can't exactly do that if it's wet, so I'm just going to try set it. Okay, and now I'm just going to go back over the same drips with concealer, and then I'll probably go back in and set it again using the same setting powder. I forgot to mention, but the setting powder that I'm using is my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder, and this is in Sugar Cookie. we've got the drips complete. I've just decided that I'm only going to do the drips on the one eye because it's taken me so long to do this. It's literally getting dark outside, so I need to kind of hurry up. So the next, and I'm pretty sure this is the final step of the whole drippy stuff, is just to add some shadows underneath the drips. So I'm just going to, I'll take the black shade here. Hopefully that's not too dark. I don't have a grey, so I'm just going to put it on this small eyeliner brush. And basically it's kind of like outlining, I guess. You'll see what I mean once I get going. Now that the drips are complete, I'm just going to do my face makeup. So I'm just going to remove my tape. Okay, so I've just gone and done the rest of my face. And now I'm going to go in with those same 6 eyeshadows and the same brushes and just use them to smoke out my lower lash line in the same kind of way as this. So red on the outside, purple on the inside, and blending them together. Okay, now I'm just going to be adding a highlight to the tear duct, and I'm going to be using my Lime Crime Mermaids highlight, and I'm going to take this shade here called Pearl and just popping it on a domed crease brush because I used all my little ones, and just whack that in the tear duct. Last thing left to do is just lashes, so I'm just going to apply a couple coats of mascara and then I will pop on some lashes. I'm going to be using my XO Beauty Shop Faux Mink lashes, and these are in the style Exotic, and I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so this is the completed look with lashes. I'm pretty happy with the way that it turned out, especially this rainbow blend. I haven't really done many looks with this many colors blended together, so that was something I was nervous about, definitely. But I feel like adding in that green probably helped a little bit. I am a little bit gutted I didn't get to finish this eye with the drips, but I also think this look is quite cool on its own, so I might actually post this look twice from different angles. So yeah, that's really good. This look took me around about 4 hours. So again, this look is for someone who has a lot of patience and doesn't mind sitting there for ages staring at yourself in a mirror. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your post notifications if you haven't and you don't want to and turn on your post notifications if you don't want to miss any videos from me. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.